Want to permanently unlink your Roblox account from your PlayStation? I'll show you how step by step. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Step 1. You can't unlink your Roblox account directly from the PlayStation console. You'll need to use a phone or a computer for this process. Step 2. Open the Roblox app on your phone, or go to the Roblox website on your computer. Step 3. On the app, tap the 3 dots at the bottom right corner to open the More menu. If you're on a computer, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Settings from the menu. Step 5. In the Settings menu, go to the Security tab. Step 6. Scroll down until you see the section called Linked Accounts. Here you'll find your connected PlayStation account listed. Step 7. Next to PlayStation, you'll see a Disconnect button. Click or tap on it. Step 8. Follow the prompts that appear to confirm you want to unlink your PlayStation account. You might be asked to enter your password or confirm your choice. Step 9. Once confirmed, your PlayStation account will be successfully unlinked from Roblox. Step 10. To make sure it's done, go back to the Security tab and check that PlayStation no longer appears under linked accounts. Closing. And that's it. Your Roblox account is now unlinked from your PlayStation. If this helped you, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future Roblox guides.